ka bagay maging villain o main character dito, isa ka lang NPC. Sa laban nyo ni Terdy, in-expose niya yung mga ginaya mo daw na idea ko. Hindi sana ako maniniwala, kaso paglabas ng laban mo kay Marshall, una niyang ginawa, pinarody yung linya ko. Tulak pa, tumulak sa akin, pwe! Kung dito mo yung ginawa, ang tawag doon, wak na bitawan. At ang makulit pa doon, sa linya na yon, yung crowd nagsigawan. Ganyan ka ba mag-rap, pare? Aba, konting hiya naman. Yun at yun lang din yung letra, pati mensahe, hindi man lang inanagram. Kaya pala yung reaction nadadali kasi puros ginaya lang. Habang kami off the charts mga atake, ito ang common na mga rounds Venn diagram. Pati pagiging crowd favorite ko, inagaw. Tang ina mo, MP3. Hindi ka bagay maging villain o main character dito, isa ka lang NPC. Pero sige, masuot mo man sapatos ko sa entabladong to, ikay binabalaan ko. Masyado pang malambot tuhod mo para lakaran yung mga pinagdaanan ko. Kasi, kung hindi Bisayang inaape, minsan underdog. Minsan, feeling taga-USA. Yung pinoportray niya na karakter may limit na parang username. So, isipin mo, ito'y computer game. Ako'y hindi nagmi-miss. Laging critical yung damage. At sa oras na gustuhin ko, I can easily switch to a different language. Cause whenever I'm on stage, every battle is a fucking A. Any time and day, just put me in, I'm plug and play. You might wanna run away, but there's no other way. MP3's gonna get burned by one of the hottest all year round like the month of May. I just wanna say, you versus me, only shows how much I love flip-top and being Addict's MC. But I'm the red button in this war, bitch. You don't get to fucking test me, but don't get me wrong. I honestly think that you deserve my best 3 and I still wanna see you win, dog. But just not against me.